What's up guys, welcome to Big Tech Unboxing. Today is February 22nd in the United States of America, and as promised, Samsung has delivered the Galaxy S22 Ultra by February 25th, if you pre-ordered it. This video is going to be an unboxing. I'll put more videos reviewing phone to phone, reviewing this phone, reviewing the iPhone versus this, iPhone 13 Pro Max, and then also the Note 20 Ultra 5G versus the S22 Ultra, which I'm currently using as my primary device. Now, by looking at the box, some of you probably already guessed what color I got, and that is the Phantom White with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. I haven't seen many Phantom White S22 Ultra unboxings as of now, but this is gonna be one of them. And some of you might say there's so many other colors, but I mean, the only other colors I liked were the exclusive colors, and if I had pre-ordered it back on February 9th for the exclusive colors, I would be getting the phone in March, which I didn't want to wait. You know, I just wanted to get my hands on this thing. I just wanted to test out the cameras and everything, which I'll be doing more reviews of this phone later on. For now, we're just doing an unboxing, and I've ordered many cases from Samsung, which with the credit that they offered if you pre-order the phone, which was at the time $200. And yeah, so I'll be showing you guys the cases in another video. Now, the colors that Samsung has to offer in the S22 Ultra are burgundy, phantom black, phantom white, which we have right here, and green. Now, all the colors are, it's personal preference, but I've seen them in person and they're all very stunning, especially the green one. I still have to see the exclusive colors and how they look, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna be just as stunning, if not more. They have graphite, sky blue, red, so let's see how those look. Now for the unboxing. So we have a fairly slim box, and we all know why. No more charging brick included. And there you have it. It's like a matte finish. Well, I could see the matte finish. This is just... This is very beautiful. Almost looks a little creamish, but I like it. I've seen it already in person. Now, the sides of the Phantom White phone are silver. With the rest of them, with the Phantom Black, you get black. With the green, you get green. With the burgundy, you get burgundy. But for the white, you get silver. Now, this phone, since I use the Note 20 Ultra, I know is 0.1 inches smaller. So the Note 20 would be 6.9. This is 6.8. So let's see what else is in the box. Nothing else back here. We have the SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, which I really have never read, and a charging cable. Yep, no charging brick, as expected. Now, for me testing my little theory out, put them side to side. This would be the Note 20 Ultra 5G, and this is the S22 Galaxy. Yep, just a little bit, it's barely noticeable, but since the phones do measure diagonally, this would be a little less wide too. So I think it would be more comfortable to hold in the hand than the Note 20. This is... Now, that's a big difference. The cameras are way bigger from before, and there's no hump. I'm kind of liking it. I like the style. I think it's a step forward. I think I'm gonna like them more. I'm gonna like the style more once I see the cameras in action. Yeah, so we'll be doing more reviews later. All right, guys, let's get this set up. Let's see if it's charged. Come on. Yes. Okay. And for those of you who want to know, the S Pen is not color matched with the phone anymore. All of them come with the black matte. Only the tip is. Let's set it up. Insert a SIM. Okay, well, all right, guys, I'll be doing a review soon, and I'll get that video to you soon. So let me set this up, and I will meet you back. That's it for today. The S22 Ultra.